Well, hello there, people of the internet. So, today or tonight, I'm gonna show you a bit of a cheap and simple YouTube recording setup that everything costs maybe 20 or so bucks, 20 or so dollars. But it's really good. It's a really good starting point for everyone. Also, this is a bit of a room tour. So, first of all, we start with this majestic piece of cheap Chinese plastic. This is, as you can see, a tripod. I got this from eBay. I paid, I think it was $12 or $10. I know there's a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's not affiliate or anything. I'm not on that level yet, but it's worth checking out. You do have, this is the highest setting, about 1 meter and 5 centimeters. I have no idea how much in feet that is, but yeah, it's really cheap. But you know, it gets the job done. I avoid assembling it, and the camera just turned off. I avoid assembling it and disassembling it. I just put it like this and just, you know, hold on. I just do this and put it in the corner over there. Again, I really don't want to risk it putting it together, extending the legs every now and then. It doesn't really take a lot of space. So yeah, it's cheap. It feels like it can fall apart, but if you're careful enough, it's, you know, okay. You have some nice little padding here. If you can see, just not to scratch the phone. And I did have to add a piece of paper over there just to keep it balanced, you know. And yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm pretty sure it has been done 100 times on YouTube, but I don't care. I didn't even check any of those videos, but I'm pretty sure it's been done 100 times so far. I'm just showing what I have and what I, you know, use to record videos. On this side, oh yeah, by the way, I'm using my S6 to record all my videos, and I'm using my dad's S5 to record the video you are seeing right now. And if you have a relatively newer version of Android, I think Android 6 and beyond, and Windows 10 running on that laptop, you can easily mirror your phone's display to, wait, no, not that. You can easily mirror your phone's display to your Windows 10 device, assuming they are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And in this case it is, and my battery is getting low, but that's okay. And usually when I sit and record, this is usually my perspective, and over there I can see myself, kind of viewfinder. It's really useful and it's really helpful. It's better than nothing. There is, as you can see, some delay, but it's okay. Yeah, S6, any Windows 10 device. I mean, it doesn't have to be Windows 10. It can be any Windows. You have some other methods of, you know, doing this. As you can see, the quality tends to drop. It all depends on your network. Yeah. So, turning around, we have Duo. I call this PC Duo because it has a Core 2 Duo in it. I am planning to make more videos about this piece of crap. It's been one of my really older videos from 2015, I think. I don't edit any of the videos here. I just use this PC just to have it in my room, maybe play some Factorio from time to time. I do pretty much everything I do on that laptop. I don't do any video editing, but I do all my programming practice and things on that. Watch shows and use it daily pretty much. But Tetra 9000 is there. Yeah. It was actually in the previous video. I'm recording this video right after recording my other video. As you can see, there's a lot of fancy lights here behind. I also got this, well, I didn't get this from eBay, but I got it from a local shop here. We can get the exact same thing off eBay for $8 to $12, all depends. And it's kind of RGB. You have, you know, you get this cheap controller, and there's a receiver. You can change it to all these fancy colors. You can see blue, white, green, red. It's pretty bright. It's pretty good. Some colors in between. You have flashing to make you dizzy, or smooth color changes to have a fancy atmosphere. I just keep it in, you know, white-ish. It looks pretty nice. Yeah. So this is my desk where I don't really spend a lot of time. This. Oh yeah, this Pringles can. Oh my god. This literally has over a kilo of coins in it. That's 5-cent coins or 5 convertible pfennigs, whatever. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, and I use it as a phone stand. I, put a phone like this here, and yeah, it's you can see it in the corner of my videos. Quite a lot of my videos just sits in the corner. I don't know why. This thing sits on my table for whatever reason. I have no idea. And yeah, I get this badge in my school, gymnasial. Some people get it. This thing, I use it for B-roll. I used it for B-roll in my previous video as a turntable. You can check the video about it if you want. I'll link it somewhere. But it's really cheap. But I get the job done. It's really not the best thing, but yeah, it's good enough. So yeah, that's how I make my videos. Again, I changed quite a lot. I first edited all my videos on that, on Potato 9000. For a very short time, I edited videos on Duo, on Potato 9000. Pretty much every video from 2015 and 16 were made on that laptop. And now I have a better PC, a Core i5, 6600 and 16 gigs of RAM. A lot of that stuff. Yeah, thank you for watching. There's a lot of people coming to the channel. Mostly thanks to the Portal 2 video I made. So yeah, thank you everybody who came to this channel. Really means a lot to me. I have now 800 and I have no idea. I literally have no idea. It constantly keeps changing. I'm so grateful. Like 800 and something people like my videos enough to subscribe to once more. I said that sometime in the past, I remember. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. Hope you will stay with me. I have some more videos coming. More videos about Duo, another video about Galaxy S6, maybe another video with Potatron. Gaming videos, bit games. I haven't forgotten about bit games. There are 4 games on the list ready to go. I just have to make the video. You can expect those pretty soon. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you want. If you have any video suggestions or ideas, leave them in the comments below. Twitter, I hang out on Twitter a lot, but nobody follows me. So yeah, my arm's about to fall off. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.